What's up, YouTube? Thanks for clicking on this video. This is the solar motion sensor light. I got it off Amazon. They say it's an easy install. 3 nails, three screws for your solar panel. And you got like 5 different modes. And that's all. Easy install. So let's get into the box. Okay, first, you got it comes with a remote, your install packet, but we shouldn't need that. And your light. And this right here is your light. Sit that to the side. It comes with some screws and your solar panel. So let me put y'all on my chest mount, and we're gonna hop on the roof right quick. Oh. All right, now. Yeah, that should be good. I'm gonna test that out. Alright guys, we have it installed, and we ran the cord all the way over there. It goes up to the solar panel. Something